I'm still here in the house, but I'm now really ready to go. I was trapped in the rain. Yeah. No, my rock is broken.
Door. Yeah, hopefully.
Look at that. You see, those are top of those trees. I actually want to go down there. Up road. Looks like we are now in the town of this Blackheath. I need to be like this, not to touch my head from the lips. Hey, look at this. I don't know if I need to take it. Yeah, there is actually, yeah, look at this. There is $50, another $50, another 50, 50, 20, 50. Yeah, and that one is not mine, so I'm not going to take it. Should I take it? No, I'm not going to take it. Yeah, and there is one lady. She is coming. I think she's going to take that. Yeah, we wait. How much is that? That is a 1, 2. That's 200. 1, 2. That's 270. Good morning. There's some dollars here. There is 50 this. I don't know from home. There's what 20 more on the side. Maybe that is meant for you.
Please, come here. Go keep it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, she took it. Okay, we go. Nice. Yeah, I feel sorry to the guy. I feel sorry to someone who left that money. Yeah, and that lady, she's lucky if that. I hope that it is not going to cause her any problem. Also to the guy also to the person who left it. Also to the person who lost it, I hope he will not have a problem. Yeah, that's 200. That's $270. That's a lot of money already. That's like 1.5 days of working. Okay, coming from the highway, we're going to this Ridgewell Road. Again, this is not concrete. I hope the person who lost that money will not have any trouble after. And that lady who got the money, I hope he used it for something good. Yeah, I won't be comfortable if I took it. There's a way going that side. And there is also another straight here. I didn't take the money because, yeah, I won't be happy to have that. Also, there is no way for me to give it to the owner. Yeah, there's no way, there's no sign that I can give it back to the owner. And yeah, okay, so we are now here. There are few cars, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cars. Buramoco Fire Trail, no unauthorized vehicle access. Keep clear at all times for emergency and maintenance personnel and vehicles. No trail bikes. No unauthorized vehicles, no dumping, no fires. Yeah, and there is a camera. Okay, we get inside. Trail bikes is the motorcycle one, not the bike like this. And it says on that covered area that there is asbestos. The people on those three cars, maybe they are walking, or maybe also they are on their bike, exploring this area. We go this way, Boramoko Fire Trail. Notice that most of the trees are color black. Yeah, because they've been there was a bushfire in this area. I think during the 2019 bushfire season. See that? All those trees. But all those trees that have been affected by fire, hey, they are back to life. You see, there are many leaves. Good afternoon. Good. Yeah, there's one. Yeah, maybe one of the car of owner is that one. So in here, Blue Mountains National Park, remote surveillance camera, Blue Mountains National Park, hanging rack, bicycle permitted. So we can go bike inside. So in here, no dogs, no collecting firewood, no smoking. Yeah, you're going to see so many warnings. We are in the middle of the high part of this mountain. If you look on the both sides, it is going down. Also that one is going down. I've been saving all my love for you. Sorry about the noise. But you on springtime day. Yeah, this place is totally covered with fire before. But you on springtime day. You were minding your life and I was minding mine too. Gonna look and find my way. I have a strange sensation, I'll be back in mine too. Oh, it's sad to belong to someone else when life one comes along. Oh, it's sad to belong to someone else when life one comes along. Some of the trees actually didn't recover. Yeah, you notice this? All of them are dead already. Yeah, I can see there are three people. There are 4 people. Good afternoon. It's good in there? Yeah. Looks. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yeah, it's good to see people along the way. Those 6 people, they are the owner of those 3 cars. Nice. So that one guy that is alone, what he owns. And now it looks like we reached the end. Oops, it's going down very deep. Yeah, and we're not going to record this because it's really dangerous. Yeah, so we go. And if you can see that clip, amazing. Yeah, dangerous. We are going up. You see, it's a rough road. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Whoa! Oh, there are people there. There are people there. Look at this. Imagine if this bike keep on driving all the way down. Oh, dangerous, yes. Okay, the safest thing to do is leave the bike there and enjoy the view. Wow. Wow. What is this? Oh, this is very deep. Yeah, look at that. This is like a sea without water. If you are afraid of the height, this is not for you. Oh, down there is a pulse. Nice, we're not going there. Very far. And on that side looks like they plant, it looks like they are new trees. They are all equally the same. Nice. Okay, that's it, we go. We go now. I'm still wearing my helmet. But in case you want to come here, the name of the place is Hanging Rocks here in Blackheath. Yeah, from Katoomba, this is around almost 1 hour drive with the bike. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I'll see you down there. Yeah, we are going back now. This one is going down at the moment, and it is rough road. Those group of Chinese that I saw a while ago, they are still walking. Yeah, those ladies. It is now 3:30 and we are now near to the highway. We are now back in the highway. A good thing there is a sideways in here. We are now in the town center of Blackheath. We are now here back again, and this amazing downhill ride in here in this area. But I'm always very careful. I'm holding on the brakes. Look at these kids. They are really pushing it really fast. Amazing. Oh, it's flying a little bit. It's the same. Okay, so yeah, I need to get up here because yeah, against the car if I go to the highway. Yeah, and I saw these guys, so I am following them. They said it is the same, it's going to the Katoomba. This maybe is the way where I was hesitated to come a while ago. You know, I was walking because it's going up. Now I'm going to drive. It is going down now. And we are now here. We are now back here in Katoomba. And in the town center. And I'm going to take this out. Because this one, the gloves, it is making me looks like a hassle, busy, dirty, something like that. And it is cold actually in here, but I'm actually sweating. I'm just going to buy some takeaway, and then we go to my camping ground. You know, if you look at this like the municipal town center, the plaza, but it's actually a hotel, Carrington Hotel, Carrington Place. Look at that, it's covered by garden. It is not easy to control the movements of this bike because it's going down. Look at that, the Copato, they are having ice cream. Okay, we're going to leave the bike there. We're just going inside the grocery to buy some food to eat tonight. Oh, we leave this. I was about to go to the restaurant to buy cooked food, but yeah, they are expensive, so we're going to the cheap one here in the grocery. So I just got this water and Pringles. I was expecting they have the fried chicken, but they don't have. They have the whole one, but I can't finish that. Most of the shop and restaurant, they are closed already, Some are open and some are, I don't know. But we're going to go to this Japanese. Oh, look at this. This is the fried rice. Comes with miso soup. It's $16.
In 500 meters, turn left onto Cliff Drive.
Yeah, it was a 13 minutes drive coming from the shop where I bought these things.